So it's a matter of great happiness that we directly we're here get together to the feet of Shri Guru Pada Padma. Shri Gurudeva, he's really with us. Gurudev is with us. By the mercy of all the Guru Vargas, and also by the mercy of Mahaprabhu, who is the combined form of Radha and Krishna, and also by the mercy of Patita Pavan Nityananda Prabhu, also by the mercy of Nrsimha Devi. Today we are starting the Srimad Bhagavad Katha. Mathurapur is a very glorious place, and our acharyas have described the glories of Mathura. If you stay even one day only in Mathura, for one day you stay in Mathura, Hari Bhakti will come in your heart. Hari Bhakti comes in the hearts of someone who stays even one night in Mathura. Mathura is so divine and transcendental. We are sitting here in Mathura, especially the name, the family. So we are here in this Bhagavad Gita arranged by this family. Gurudev told the name, I couldn't repeat, sorry. The name of the family. So my welcome to all the members of the family and my greetings to all the members of the family of this family who arranged this Bhagavatam. So, the sound is okay? So today is the first day of the Bhagavatam. First day. So we took the Mangala Kalas, means these auspicious coconuts, look. So we have carried these pots with the coconut, auspicious, and also the Bhagavatam. We were walking, chanting holy names. The ladies were dancing and singing. So we brought Bhagavatam into here directly. God we brought here with this beautiful parade. Today is also a very beautiful day today also. Today is Saptami, Tithi, 7th day of the month. Especially, we have started today the Brajamandala Parikrama, Mathura Parikrama. We started in Vishiram Ghat. We performed Sankalpa. Also, we went house to house from the Brajavasis to get their mercy. And we got their mercy. So today now, evening time, we're here gathered together to relish something of the Bhagavad Gita. Bhagavatam is directly the form of God. Bhagavan himself appears in the form of Banmoy Murti, in sound incarnation. Bhagavatam is not a book. Actually, Bhagavatam is directly the sound incarnation of God. In Padma Puran, there is a beautiful verse that is the saying describing this. Bhagavatam has 12 cantos, and each canto is directly one of the limbs of Krishna, one of the limbs. As much as we say, it still is not enough. Who can describe the Katha of Bhagavan? Anantadeva himself, with his unlimited mouth, he cannot even speak all the glories of Lord. What us, mind living entity conditioned by Maya, how can we describe the Katha of Bhagavan? Yet, what I've heard from the lotus mouth of Guru and Vaishnavas, all the good fortune, like by good fortune I get the opportunity to listen from Guru Vaishnavas. This Katha I will remember now, and I will try to describe to you. So if I commit any mistake, please forgive me for any mistake or something.
पद्म पुराण में भी स्पष्टीकरण कर दिया कि श्रीमद् भागवतम साक्षात
Padma Purana describes how Bhagavatam is directly the form of God.
जुगलं तथान कंठस्तुराजनमोजदियो मुखारविन्दं दशमा प्रफुल्लम् एकादशो यस्य ललाटपट्टं शिरोऽपितु द्वादशैव भाति तमानिदेवं करुणानिदानं तमालवर्णं सुहृदावतारम् अपार संसार समुद्रसेतु भजामहे भगवत स्वरूपम् भजामहे भगवत स्वरूपम् पादुजर्यु
So the Bhagavatam has 12 cantos. The first canto and the second canto are two lotus feet of Lord. Third canto and fourth canto, the two thighs of Lord. Fifth canto is the navel of God. Sixth and seventh are the two arms of Lord. The ninth canto is the throat of God. And the 10th canto is the smiling, so beautiful smiling face of Lord. His lotus face so beautiful, smiling, attracting everyone, captivating everyone. His beautiful lotus face is the 10th canto. The 11th canto is the forehead of God. 12 is the Bhagavan's head, like his head, above his head. So in this way, Srimad Bhagavatam is directly the form of Bhagavan. So we see him as the form of a book, but actually he is directly the form of God. So there is Grantha Bhagavat and also Bhakta Bhagavat. Many people cannot understand the meaning of the books Grantha Bhagavata, Srimad Bhagavatam, because Bhagavat Vibhu, Bhagavat is great, gigantic. In every verse, every syllable has so many meanings actually. Bhagavatam is so great and big. Every word, every sound, there's so many meanings that you can derive. It can be derived because Bhagavatam is in Sanskrit. So one word has many possible meanings. So some people read the Bhagavatam and they deliver themselves from this world. Some people read the Bhagavatam and they go to hell or to lower planets. Why? Because if we don't
वैष्णव के अनुगत्य में
understand
समझ
the
में
meaning of the Bhagavatam under the guidance of the Vaishnavas, then you can get the opposite result. Opposite result you may
इसलिए
get.
हमारे आचार्य बात करते
So
हैं
our acharyas explain,
भागवत अध्ययन करना हो
we have to read the
वैष्णव
Bhagavatam,
के सानिध्य में बैठ करके
sitting with the Vaishnavas,
भागवत अध्ययन
and study Bhagavatam with
जहाँ
the
भागवत
Vaishnavas.
पढ़ो वैष्णव दिशा में एकांत आश्रय करो चैतन्य महाप्रभु की चरण कमल को आश्रय करके
So we have to take shelter of the feet of Mahaprabhu.
वैष्णव की अनुगत्य में भागवत
Then we have to read the Bhagavatam under the guidance of the Vaishnavas.
और एक भागवत भक्त भागवत
So also there is the Bhakta Bhagavata, the devotee.
साक्षात भागवती का वरिष्ठ भागवत मध्यम भागवत
So
और
the devotee of Lord, there is the Kanishta devotee, Madhyam and Uttam.
उत्तम वैष्णव
Uttam Vaishnava.
इसमें भागवत की तात्पर्य समझने के लिए
So we have to try to understand the meaning of the Bhagavatam.
भगवान के चरण में स्वयं आत्मसमर्पण करना
We have to
मैं
surrender
आत्मा
ourselves
प्रवचन
to
लब्धो
be able to
न
realize.
भया न बहुना सुते जामे वैसे विरुते तेन रपतस्य आत्मा विकृते प्रमुष्य उपनिषद में
Upanishads explain.
केवल विद्या बुद्धि पांडित्य के द्वारा
Intelligence, learned, being scholar, cannot understand. Even if we like many times you read the books, it's not enough. Even if you hear many times, also not enough.
भगवान
What?
कृपा करके
When
हमारे
Lord
हृदय में
mercifully appears in your heart,
स्वरूप प्रकट कर देंगे
manifests His form in our heart, then we'll be able to understand Him.
इसलिए गुरु वैष्णव और भगवान के चरण में बार बार नमन
So again and again we have to we do our pranam to the feet of Guru, Vaishnava,
भावने प्रकाश
Bhagavan. So Bhagavat, four syllables. Bhagavat. Bha means prakash, illuminate,
प्रकार के तत्व सिद्धांत
manifest.
रस माधुर्य हृदय में
Bhagavat, Bha means prakash, means all the sweetness and the siddhanta will appear in our heart. So this is Bha, Bha. Then Ga, Ga. Ga means Garishta, means the best. So from all the Puranas, the best of all Puranas is the Srimad Bhagavatam. So that's why Srimad Bhagavatam is called Puran Samrat, means the emperor of all the Puranas. So there's the king, a great king, like Raja, Maharaja, great king, and Samrat. Samrat is the emperor. The emperor is like the king of all the kings. He's dominating all the kings. He's also called Chakravarti Raja, like king, emperor. So Bhagavatam is also like a Chakravarti Raja, means one emperor, very great emperor. And Bhagavatam is also Jad Vaishnavam Priyam.
वैष्णव की जो है अत्यंत
Bhagavatam is so dear to the Vaishnavas, so dear.
इसमें वरिष्ठ शब्द कहा गया है गौ माने
So that's why Ga of Bhaga Garishta means the best.
वास
So Bhagava, Va. Bhaga, Va means Vas, stay. Lord is in everyone's heart, Vas, like God is in everyone's heart.
कण कण में सर्वत्र ही
Everywhere, God is everywhere.
विराजमान
So Va means Vasa, to stay everywhere. God is everywhere. Then Ta, Ta,
प्राण रक्षक
means Tran, to protect.
ये भागवत कथा श्रवण करने से
If you hear Bhagavad Katha,
आप माया के प्रताप से
you'll be able to be delivered from the three miseries of Maya.
आध्यात्मिक आदि दैविक और आदि भौतिक
Adhyatmic, Adidevik, and Adibhautik. So be protected from these three miseries.
इस संसार के जीव त्रिताप के
The jivas in this world, they are
बद्धित हो गए
suffering by these three miseries,
जल झुलस गए
burning in these three miseries.
देवताओं के दो प्रकोप कहा जाता है उसी कहा जाता है आदि
So the anger or something that is
कोरोना के जो
occasioned by the demigods is called Adhidevika, just like the
कहां से आए?
waves of coronavirus. This is all coming from the demigods.
हम तो एक दूसरे के ऊपर
We are blaming each other,
किंतु
but actually,
आध्यात्मिक विचार से
if
देखें देवता लोग दुष्ट है।
Actually, because the demigods are angry with
ठीक
us,
ठीक से
that's why
देवताओं की
we are
सम्मान नहीं
having this
किया।
pandemic. We are not
और
honoring properly
समस्त
the
देवताओं में
demigods.
श्रेष्ठ कौन है?
And who is the best demigod of all the
स्वयं
demigods?
भगवान विष्णु।
It's Swayam Bhagavan Vishnu. He's the best of all the demigods.
इसलिए देवता लोग भी
So that's why
अप्रसन्न हो
the
गए।
demigods, they are not
इसे
pleased.
चारों तरफ ऐसे बीमार आदि फैला।
That's why this pandemic is like all over the world because of the anger of the demigods.
आदि भौतिक
Okay, so Adi Bhautik, another misery, is like when we suffer something occasioned by some other jiva. For example, if a dog bites you, will bite you.
सांप काट दिया,
Or for example, a snake has bitten you also.
मच्छर काट दिया,
Or a mosquito
ये चल रहे हैं, कौन सा?
bits you.
डेंगू चल रहा है।
Dengue. You know dengue? Dengue. The disease occasioned by mosquito. Dengue.
आध्यात्मिक मन में जो दुख कष्ट आता है,
So also adhyathic, also when you are suffering from your mind so many things.
संस्कृताप जड़ के द्वारा जीव जल्दी
The jivas are burning in these miseries. But if you glorify in Shravana Kirtan of the Bhagavatam, listen and glorify the Bhagavatam, you will be free from all the sins.
इसलिए कलियुग में
So in Kali Yuga,
और कुछ करना नहीं,
in Kali Yuga, no need to know anything else. Just
श्रवण करें।
hear Bhagavad Katha and glorify Bhagavad Katha. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he taught this to the jivas of this world.
हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। जगत्तमादिदेवं करुणानिधानं तमालवर्णं सुतावतारं सृजनमित्रं
So here that means the Bhagavad is our friend.
उपकार करने वाला।
He is the benefactor of all the
साक्षात
souls.
भगवान ये भागवत रूप में ही प्रकट हुए।
God appeared directly in the form of the Bhagavatam.
अपार समुद्र सेतु भजामि भागवतम
Bhagavatam is the bridge to cross us, over this material existence, ocean of material existence. How to cross over the ocean of material existence, taking shelter of the Bhagavatam. Hearing Bhagavad Katha, this is the bridge to cross. So, if you hear Bhagavad Katha, all your sinful activities will be destroyed, all of them.
पापी से पापी महापापी भी
Even the great sinners,
पाप से
Mahapapi, they will be delivered from their sins.
पुराणों में अनेक स्थल पर अनेक
There are many places in the Puranas
भागवत की महिमा
describing the glories of the Bhagavatam.
अभी हम परीक्षित सुपरीक्षित भागवत कथा में श्रवण करेंगे।
So now we will hear about the Shukha Parikit
उससे
Samvad.
पहले एक कथा मैं बता देता हूँ।
So first I want to tell you something, that
परीक्षित महाराज जी 7 दिन तक
Parikit Maharaj for 7 days
परीक्षित महाराज जी से ये भागवत कथा से
he was hearing Bhagavad Katha from Srimad Bhagavatam.
7 दिन
For how
कितने
long?
घंटे हो गए?
7 days. So how many hours are
आप
there?
बताइए।
You can calculate how many hours in 7 days.
दिन करने से दिन
24
और
times 7. So day and night both.
24 घंटे
So 24 hours in one day, okay?
और 24 के 7 दिन
So
करके
24 times 7, you calculate, multiply.
168
108,
168
168. 168 hours.
हम लोग 2 घंटे बैठेंगे तो
So we are having problem of sitting for 2 hours. Oh Maharaj, it's time. Time's up. Stop it. Stop the katha.
कई भी दिवस है थोड़ा
Today is still the first day.
विलंब हो गया कोई बात नहीं। इसे हम समाप्त करते हैं।
So I also pray for inconvenience today, the first day.
ये तो देखो परीक्षित महाराज जी 7 दिन 7 रात
7 days and 7 nights continuously.
भागवत कथा श्रवण करते
Parikit Maharaj was hearing Harikatha.
आश्चर्य से वक्ता कुशलस्य श्रोता
So if they hear, the person who is hearing is
और श्रोता भी
amazing, then the speaker also will be very enthusiastic to speak and will be very
इस
nice.
श्रीमद् भागवत 7 दिन भागवत कथा श्रवण करके परीक्षित महाराज साक्षात
So after hearing for 7 days, Parikshit Maharaj directly went to the abode of Lord in the spiritual world.
देवता लोग साक्षात
The demigods saw this scene directly, and the demigods became impressed.
और पुराण अपेक्षा श्रीमद् भागवत की महिमा इनमें वर्णन कर रहे हैं।
And the
इसलिए
gods of
देवता लोग
Bhakta
जाकर
are
ब्रह्मा जी के निकट प्रार्थना करने लगे।
like
कितना आश्चर्य।
like the gods of the Bhakta are so exalted, no? And the demigods, they came and prayed to Brahma. Wow, amazing! Now the demigods are so surprised. Oh, Parikshit Maharaj, he only heard the Bhagavata for 7 days. Then he was freed from the curse of the Brahmana. Then he went directly to the abode of Lord. He came to the abode of Lord.
इसको देख करके ब्रह्मा जी भी
Seeing this,
विचार करने लगे कैसे उस समय ब्रह्मा जी ने
Brahmaji was also considering and thinking.
तराजू मांगा
So Brahmaji asked for a scale, like a balance, old scale. In one side of the scale, he put all other Puranas, all.
ब्रह्म विवर्त पुराण ब्रह्मांड पुराण
Like Brahmavata Puran, Brahmanda Puran, Vishnu Puran, all the Puranas.
समस्त पुराणों की एक वाली परत और दूसरी तराजू
He put them all in one side of the scale. In the other side of the scale, he put only Srimad Bhagavatam.
देखो आश्चर्य
Something amazing happened.
श्रीमद् भागवत जिस जब पर रखा वो नीचे आ
The place where the Bhagavad was kept is coming down because Bhagavad is
भारी
heavy.
वस्तु कहाँ जाता है
Things which are heavier go down.
और जो हल्का होता है
Those who are light, the things who are light, they go up.
जो जमीन पर बैठते हैं
Those who are
उसे
sitting
क्या
on the
कहते
floor,
हैं
they are called
जमींदार
Zamindar, which is
जमीन
also
पर जो
meant,
बैठते हैं नीचे
meaning
जमींदार
landowner.
कहते हैं कि नहीं
They call
और
Zamindar
जो
those who
चौकी
sit on
पर
the floor.
बैठते हैं उसे क्या कहा जाता
But it's
है
also, one of the meanings also then
और वो बताइए
landlord. Those who are sitting on the choki means like this platform, like Gurudev is sitting. They also called chokidar, chokidar. Those who are sitting in the platform, but chokidar also means doorman.
ये बोले चौकीदार दृष्टि
So who is better, Jamindar or chokidar?
आपके घर में शायद
Landlord or doorman? Then he's saying, doorman is higher. Then Gurudev is saying, because you don't know what is a doorman. In your house doesn't have it. There's no doorman. Jamindar is higher, of course, because Jamindar is a landlord. He's the owner of a field.
इसलिए आप लोग नीचे बैठिए ना
So you are sitting down actually means you're heavier, you're better. Those who are better, higher, they sit on the floor. I am sitting up means I'm light.
माने हल्का
I'm light, like I'm not
हल्का वो
heavy.
ऊपर की तरफ जाते हैं
Those who are light, they go up. Those who are heavy, they sit down.
मेरे कहने की तात्पर्य है देखो एक तरफ सारे पुराणों को रख दिया
So he put all the Puranas on one side, and in the other side, only the Srimad Bhagavatam.
और उससे भाग श्रीमद् भागवत कितने भारी हैं।
The Bhagavatam became so
श्रवण करेंगे
heavy.
साथ ये भी संसार से
So, listening to Bhagavad Gita immediately, he delivered from this world.
श्रवण की तो बहुत दूर की बात
What to
होती
speak
है।
of hearing exactly the Bhagavad
मैं
Gita?
भागवत कथा
Even if you have the,
इतने ही हृदय में भावना
maybe you haven't heard the Bhagavatam, but
स्वयं भगवान
just if you desire to go to the Bhagavatam to hear, immediately God comes and sits in your heart.
जित कोई तो वो अपने परम निर्मल श्रीमद् भागवतम महामुनि तीन बार पढ़ी सत्य हृदय अवरुद्ध थे पृथ्वी सुश्रुभि तत्क्षणा सुश्रुभि सुनने की
Shubhi means if you have desire to listen. Just if you have desire to listen, then immediately
हृदय में
Bhagavan
बैठ जाए
will sit in your heart.
कहीं भागवत कथा बोरी हो कान में सुनाई दे
Some Bhagavad Gita is going on, you just heard it. This news came to your ear that the Bhagavad Gita is going on somewhere.
वो चिंतन कर
Somebody told you. Then you start to think in this moment, oh, I want to go, I will go to hear the Bhagavad Gita, I will go.
साथ ही साथ भगवान उनके हृदय
Then
में
just you think this, immediately God comes and sits in your heart.
ऐसे श्रीमद् भागवत की अपार महिमा शास्त्र में
So this is the limited glories of the Bhagavad Gita.
अभी हमने आप लोग की कथा सुना एक परीक्षित महाराज
So Parikshit Maharaj,
7 दिन के लिए
for 7 days,
सभी ऋषि के पुत्र श्रृंगी ने
the son of Samikrishi, Sringi, cursed him
7 दिन के बाद
that after 7 days,
उनके तक्षक आकर के इनको काटेगा।
Takshat will come and beat him.
और इसके पश्चात
Sorry, bite him. And then
श्रमिक ऋषि जब ध्यान से उठे
when Samik Rishi
और
rose from his
जब
meditation,
देवकी राजा परीक्षित उन सबको उनके छोटा बेटा सिंह ने दिखाया।
so Samik Rishi realized his son, small son,
और देखो
Shringi had
उस
cursed
समय
the king. Then
परीक्षित महाराज जी के निकट ये समाचार दिया।
Parikshit Maharaj also got to know that after 7 days,
तक्षक आकर के
Takshat snake would come and would bite him.
और इस समाचार सुनते ही
Hearing this,
परीक्षित महाराज
immediately Parikshit was very happy. Parikshit Maharaj was so
सारे
happy.
ऋषि मुनि को बुलाया।
He also called all the rishis and munis.
सब ऋषि मुनि ने अपने अपने विचार देने लगे। कर्मी साधु, ज्ञानी
And different
साधु,
sadhus, they give their own opinions, like
योगी
Karmi
साधु,
sadhu,
अनेक प्रकार के साधु।
Gyani sadhus, Karmi sadhus. There are many kinds of sadhus, Gyani sadhus, Yogi sadhus. All are
इस संसार
sadhus.
में कोई असाधु
Is
है?
there anyone who is not a sadhu in this world? You tell me.
कोई असाधु, सब साधु।
Everyone is a sadhu.
बात सही है।
This is true or not?
कर्मी साधु कहने लगे देखो कर्म करो। कौन सा कर्म? दान पुण्य आदि
So
कर्म।
the Karmi sadhu said, I will give, I will do
इससे
karma.
स्वर्ग प्राप्ति।
Like what? Donation, charity. In this way, I will be able to attain karma. Sorry, attain svarga. The Gyan is told you have to discuss about Gyan knowledge, then you attain mukti. They told Parikshit Maharaj this.
किंतु देखो उसी सभा में सुखदेव गोस्वामी जब पधारे
But when Shukadeva Goswami was there,
और सभी लोग अपने अपने आसन से उठ करके खड़े होकर के
everyone stood up from their seats and they welcomed
और
him.
उनके सर्वश्रेष्ठ
And then
आसन पर
he was given the highest position to sit down.
और परीक्षित महाराज जी उनकी एक ही प्रश्न ये मरने वाले जीवन थोड़ी सी निकटतम हो गया।
So Parikshit Maharaj asked, what is the duty of somebody
उस
who is
समय
going to
सुखदेव
die?
गोस्वामी पाद अति सहज
Then-
सरल रूप में एक उत्तर दिया।
Shukadeva gave him a very simple answer. Which answer he gave?
इस कली में कुछ करना नहीं है भागवत कथा श्रवण अरे नाम नाम सुनो। भगवत कथा श्रवण और कितनी सुंदर
In Kali, we just need to hear Harikatha, Bhagavad Katha,
बताए।
Nama Sankirtan. So beautiful what he said, so beautiful what he said. Shukadeva Goswami told.
मेरा नाम संकीर्तन भगवत कथा
Nama Sankirtan means hear Harikatha, Bhagavad Katha also.
हरि कथा श्रवण और अंत इसके पश्चात सुखदेव गोस्वामी पाद जब भागवत कथा श्रवण कराने के लिए गए
So when Shukadeva Goswami said in the Vyasasana to hear
उस
Harikatha,
समय देखो देवता लोग स्वर्ग के राजा इंद्र के साथ
so in this moment, Indra, the king of
अमृत
Swarga,
कलश लेकर के
he came with the demigods bringing Amrit nectar. The demigods are
साक्षी होते हैं
very selfish and also clever,
और
you know.
चतुर होते हैं
Very clever, the demigods,
और
huh? They are very clever. Demigods came,
महाराज ये अमृत जो है परीक्षित
demigods
महाराज
came
ने
and told, hey Maharaj, Shukadeva Goswami,
और उसके बदल में
give this nectar to Parikshit Maharaj to drink,
भागवत
and
अमृत
in the like as a reward, you please tell us Bhagavad Katha.
इस कथा
So they
को
wanted to
सुन
give
करके
the nectar to Parikshit, and they should hear the Bhagavad Katha. Then
ओ
Shukadeva Goswami laughed
देवता
and
लोग
said,
कैसे
oh, devatas are, demigods are so
चतुर
clever, huh?
उन्होंने क्या किया नहीं
So Shukadeva denied. He said no.
भागवत की कथा श्रवण की एकमात्र जब परीक्षित
Only one person who is qualified to hear Bhagavad Katha
उन्होंने
is Parikshit
देवताओं ने
Maharaj.
वंचित कर दिया
So Shukadeva cheated the demigods.
और भागवत कथामृतम परीक्षित महाराज को श्रवण करें।
And then Shukadeva told the Bhagavad Gita Tamritam to Parikshit
ये
Maharaj.
भागवत कथा श्रवण अतीव
So here Bhagavad Gita is something so rare.
जीवन के जब सौभाग्य उदय
When the good
होता है,
fortune arises for the living entity,
तब भागवत कथा श्रवण की
sorry, is the moment when the jiva gets the opportunity to listen to Harikatha, Bhagavad Gita specifically.
आप लोग महान
So we are so fortunate, all of you. That's why we now have come to this
इस कथा
katha.
को जो आयोजन करके
You have arranged this katha, and those who arranged also, they are so fortunate. Those who arranged this Harikatha.
जैसे कड़ी में स्मरण आ जाए
I want
माया
remembrance
माता जी की
Maya
स्मृति
Mataji.
आ जाए
One remembrance of Maya Mataji.
गर्मी के समय था जून के
It
समय
was summertime, like June.
करीब जून तक
Really scorches rays of the sun was there.
जून तक जुलाई
Maybe June or July. So
हमारी
Mataji came in the
माता जी
temple.
का भागवत करना चाहते
She told me I want to do the
उस समय
Bhagavatam.
उनके बाद
At the time,
निकला भगवत वेदांत तीर्थ
Puja
महाराज
Pada
जी
Srila Tirtha Maharaj,
विराजमान थे।
He was present.
उस समय वे नवद्वीप धाम में
but he was in Navadvipa Dham at that moment.
लौट करके नवद्वीप परिक्रमा के बाद
After Navadvipa Parikrama he had come,
बड़े मैं भागवत करना
she
चाहता
said, I want to do Bhagavatam.
हूँ तीर्थ महाराज की तरह कराई
I told, okay, Srila Tirtha Maharaj can do,
तीर्थ महाराज का अभियान
but he's not here now. I remember.
ऐसे सुंदर मुखारविंद आज तक भी मेरा हृदय
Her lotus face still in my heart.
बस
I still see her lotus face in my heart.
महाराज जी के बेटा
She said, no, Ban Maharaj.
है रामानंद जी कुछ
Can I ask Ramananda? Everybody knows.
है इनके परिवार की सदस्य
His family members, her family members, they are so simple.
कराते रहते हैं
They always do some Bhagavatam here also sometimes.
तीर्थ महाराज जी ने स्थान पर कई बार भागवत किया
Tirtha Maharaj did Bhagavata, 2 times Bhagavad Katha here, Sri
और
Tirtha Maharaj.
चैतन्य चरितामृत चैतन्य भागवत भी
Even Chaitanya Bhagavat,
और भी भक्त लोग करते हैं
also some devotees sometimes do. Sometimes they do here also.
यही
I
स्थान
heard.
पर जहाँ पर
This place here.
साक्षात भगवान की अधिष्ठान भूमि माना
So this is a place from Bhagavat, this is a place actually directly of God, this place.
क्योंकि काल की ऐसी स्थिति है
But according to the events of time, Mataji,
चली गई
she left, departed.
माया माता जी नित्य धाम में
Maya Mataji, she went to the Nitya Dham, to the abode of Lord.
गुरुदेव जी सेवा में
She entered directly in the service of Gurudeva and also in the service of Radha Vinod
सेवा
Bihari
में चैतन्य महाप्रभु सेवा में
and also in the service of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. She left
एक
for
आज
their
भी
service.
स्मृति है।
But now I'm
इनके
remembering
घर
her.
में कितनी सुंदर ठाकुर जी
She has
विराजमान
such beautiful deity in her house.
है। गिरिराज जी की विराजमान है।
Giriraj also, see.
हर साल हम इनके घर में आते थे कृष्ण
Every
की
year I used to come in her house,
परिक्रमा के समय
especially in the time of Parikrama, Mathura Parikrama.
घर में आते थे।
Used to come to her house.
भक्त लोग यहाँ पर एकत्रित होते थे।
Devotees would get together here. I think tomorrow they will come, huh?
हैं? परसों हम लोग
The day after tomorrow actually will come here with all the
परिवार
devotees.
के सब भक्त थे।
So all her family,
विशेष करके
especially
उनकी
the
और उनकी
grandson or someone else, is so
बहुत हैं। आप भावना देवी हैं? बहुत सरल सरल अत्यंत उदार जीवन।
Bhavana Didi also so generous, so simple.
आज इस भागवत की कथा हम श्रवण करें।
So now we hear
इस
this Bhagavad
भागवत
Katha.
भी कहेंगे देवताओं की जो दुर्लभ वस्तु यानी
So this is which is so rare for the demigods.
देवताओं की भी दिया निमंजित कर
Something that Shukadeva Goswami didn't even give to the demigods. He cheated them and didn't give to them. And then Shukadeva told this Katha to Parikshit Maharaj.
ये भागवत कथा श्रवण करने से फल क्या है
What is the fruit of hearing Bhagavad Katha?
ये भी हमें जानना चाहिए
You should know it.
राइट एक कथा सुनाता हूँ
I'll tell you one story.
देखो एक
Look.
संत महात्मा
There was a saint.
कई धनी घर में गए
He went some rich person's house,
तो सामग्री
and he went to this rich person's house to ask for alms
और
for the deity.
उनकी बटन दबाया
So he knocked in the door.
बटन दबाया
He knocked the ring. He rang the bell of the house.
बहुत क्रोधित हो गए भाई हमारे घर में साधु कैसे आ गया
And the person came so angry. How a sadhu came in my house? How possible?
उन्होंने क्या कि एक पत्थर उठाया
And then this man of the house, he took a stone and he threw the stone in the sadhu to kill him, like to hurt
साधु
him.
देखने से ही जैसे भैंसे होते
So
हैं,
many people, they see the sadhus
ऐसे खुद ही
and they behave like buffaloes, angry buffaloes, you know.
एक का पत्थर पत्थर
So he threw a stone in the sadhu. At the sadhu. Sadhu somehow he was saved and the stone didn't hit him. But the sadhu took the stone from the ground
अपने मंदिर में लेकर गया।
and he brought the stone to his temple.
ठाकुर जी के रसोई में वो पत्थर के जो है
Then he used that stone in the service of the kitchen of the deity.
ऐसे करके कुछ दिन बीत गए
Then some days
और वो
passed
धनी व्यक्ति मर गए।
and then this rich person
मर
died.
जाने के बाद
After dying,
फिर जमदूतों जो है उसको
Jamadutas took him
जमालय में ले गए। ये
to
मृत्यु के
Jamalai.
बाद सभी को
You
कहाँ
know,
जाना
after
पड़ता है?
that, everybody must go to.
बताइए।
Tell me,
जमालय में जाना पड़ता है।
Jamaloy. Everybody must go to Jamaloy.
जब महाराज के स्थान पर वहीं पर विचार हुआ इतने
you'll be
पाप और
judged.
कितने
They will see how much sinful you did and how many pious deeds. He will not spare anyone. He will not spare anyone,
देखो उनको
Jamaraj.
लेकर के गए जब महाराज बोला उनके क्लास
So this man was taken there, and Jamaraj told his clerk. His clerk is called Chitragupta. He has all the recordings of everything, like all the. He has like the proofs of everything you did. Actually, in a hidden way, like a hidden camera, he's taking picture of everything you do. Just like you have CCTV in your house. No, you don't have it.
धनी के घर में होटल में
So those who are rich in hotels, they have CCTV.
एक उसी को नहीं तुम जानते नहीं हो सब तुम्हारे चित्र आ जाएंगे
So you don't know when it's hidden cameras. Actually, they are filming you and like many photos and films of you,
चित्रगुप्त
like videos. So the name of the clerk of Jamaraj is Chitragupta because he will take hidden photos from you.
पता नहीं चलेगा
Or like he will film or have all the recording of everything you do,
जब
and you don't
महाराज
even
जी
know it.
चित्रगुप्त ने पूछा बताओ ये व्यक्ति के पाप पुण्य
So
क्या
Jamaraj
है?
asked his clerk Chitragupta, tell me how many sins, how many sinful activities and pious deeds he
ये
did.
महापापी है
Jamaraj, his clerk told
घर
him,
में उन्मत्त
he
होकर के
is a great sinner, this man, always absorbing money, he drank alcohol,
ये खेले
he gambled,
और असत्संग अवैध स्त्री संग जीवन में इसकी कोई
also he fell in the illegal association of ladies, he didn't do anything pious in his life,
कोई पुण्य नहीं किया
he didn't do any pious deeds,
किसी के एक
nothing.
भी दान बच्चे ने
He
भी
didn't
नहीं
even give no donation, some donation to someone, nothing.
किया ऐसे महापाप
He's this kind of great sinner, he is.
अच्छा उनको
Okay.
काल के लिए नरक में भेज दिया जाए
Okay, so he must be sent to hell for unlimited time.
जब महाराज विचार के जीवन में कोई पुण्य ही नहीं किया
He didn't do any punya, any pious deed in his life, nothing. He didn't even give any donation, nothing. No, Maharaj, no.
जब महाराज जी बोले चित्रगुप्त
Jamaraj told Chitragupta,
सारे लाइफ हिस्ट्री
check again his life
एक
history.
एक पन्ना उठाओ देखो पूरी है
Check all the pages of his life history, check again one more time.
देखा क्या एक जगह
Then
में
he saw in one side, one corner, was like some observation,
एक
saying,
संत महात्मा
oh, a saint came in his house,
और उनके एक पत्थर एक आदमी
and then he threw a stone in the sadhu to try to kill him, and to hit him.
ठाकुर जी की रसोई सेवा
Take
में
him.
लगाया
So, but the saints took that
किसी की जैसे
stone and the rock to use in the kitchen. For example, when you need to
मसाला आदि पीसने के
grind
लिए
masala or to grind the ginger, we can use it for the spices.
क्या मिल गया
You can get this, you can use the rocks, and like a rock, a stone. Nowadays, everybody uses mixer, but before they used to grind
ये सब चीजों में
it with stone. In Kishore Guru Mata Brahmacharis, before, you used to grind the
आजकल तो है इसलिए तो सब
spices by
क्या हो
hand.
गया, सब सुगार हो गया सब
Super.
बीपी हाई हो जाता है शरीर के रगड़ाव का सेवा
now-
करो
Now we're not working so much, that's why we have a high blood pressure.
आजकल बाजार से भी वो मिल जाता है
Even you can get from the market.
मसाला इसे भी मसाला
like masalas already
साइड
ready,
में मिल जाते हैं
like powder masala, like jeera, cumin, everything. Don't need to do anything. But if you're
सब
all masalas are already powder,
ये बात बोलने में लोग समझ भी नहीं आते हैं
so you don't even understand how
सील और
people used to grind before
ये क्या चीज
the masala and like grind.
सिंगलोड़ी ये लोग कहने से हंसते रहते हैं
People even laugh nowadays about this. And if you don't work like this, then your body becomes disease like this. But before, they used to work so much for the masala.
क्या बोलेंगे
Even in Bombay, other places, if you speak about this, people say I'm crazy.
कोई पिसाई जाती इससे पिसाई जाती लोग कैसे नहीं पिसाई
Now everybody just grind masalas and spices in the machine. Nobody does this by hand.
उसमें इतना ही लिखा गया जो व्यक्ति संत महात्मा के मारने के लिए
So it was saying in the book of Ecliptus, he threw a stone
और संत महात्मा
in
के
the saints.
और बड़े-बड़े लोग
So a beggar is begging something, we say he's begging.
जो मांगते हैं उसे क्या आजकल तो भक्ति में भी
In
डोनेशन
school, in college,
है ऐसे तुम्हारी एडमिशन नहीं हुई
in school,
ऐसी सुनाई तो
I hear that.
सच है कि नहीं
This is true or not?
बड़े-बड़े
कहाँ पर? कहाँ पर?
स्कूल कॉलेज एडमिशन होने के लिए
Ah, for donation. So now the school and college is for donation. Also, you must give donation.
बच्चे जानते हैं
He knows this guy.
ये तो होते ही
Otherwise, you cannot get admitted in the school and colleges nowadays.
चलो कम से कम डोनेशन दिया क्या डोनेशन दिया
Okay, so the man gave some donation. Which donation? Donation of a stone, rock.
जब महाराज
Okay, he got some pious deeds.
इस पुण्य के फलस्वरूप
Then Maharaj said, okay, as a fruit of
ये
this
24 मिनट के
pious
लिए
deeds, for 24 minutes,
इसको स्वर्ग में भेज दिया
he will be sent to Swargalok. For how many minutes?
हाँ 24 मिनट 24 मिनट
For 24 minutes.
कितने मिनट बताया हाँ ये बोलते हैं 24 मिनट
24.
हाँ
Yes.
और अनंत काल के लिए नरक में जाना
First 24 minutes in heaven, then for a limited time in the hell. So they asked this man, okay, where do you want to go first? Where do you want to go first?
काल के लिए नरक
Do you prefer to stay for a limited time in hell
24 मिनट के लिए
first or 24 minutes in Swarga?
आप कौन सा पसंद करते हैं बताओ कोई है
Is there anyone here, like, what do you prefer?
बताओ क्या चाहते हैं
Tell me, what would you want? What do you want?
देखो व्यक्ति बहुत चालाक था
So that man was really clever.
काल के लिए नरक पे जाना है पहले तो
Oh,
देख
I have to go to a limited time to hell. Okay, so let's first see Swarga. How is Swarga? Who has seen Swarga? Raise your hands. Have you seen Swarga? Look. At least one person raise your hand.
रामानंद हाथ उठाया
Ramananda what? Oh, almost raised. He raised.
हैं? बड़े शास्त्र का शब्द में क्या है
What is in Swarga?
सुंदर स्थान है
No pollution, no diseases in Swarga also.
बहुत सुंदर स्थान अमृत भोजन
Very beautiful place with nectar to drink.
नंदन कानन
Nandakanan,
सुंदर
beautiful
सुंदर अप्सराएं
forests,
जहाँ पर नृत्य गीत आदि
beautiful dancers, dancing, singing.
करते हैं ऐसे शब्द की बहुत सुंदर
The scriptures, they glorify a lot
तो विचार करने
Swargalok.
लगे चल
Heavenly
24
places.
मिनट के लिए
Okay, so for 24 minutes,
स्वर्ग में जाते
I'll go to Swarga.
जब महाराज ने अपने बुद्धों की बोले जाओ
Jai Maharaj told his
स्वर्ग की गेट पर
messengers,
इसमें छोड़ दो
Okay.
गेट पर खड़े रह जाना
told his servants,
इसके बोले जाओ
let him in the door of Swarga, he'll go inside and he'll wait for him.
टाइम क्या हो गया
Okay, so what time is it now? Check your watch.
7 बज गए
Okay, 7 p.m.
कितने बजे
What time is it?
7 बजे इसके मतलब
Okay, 7 p.m. means until 7:24 the man could stay in Swarga, not more than that.
क्या बोला
What did I say?
हाँ वाह ये बच्चा अच्छा सुन रहे हैं
This boy is listening very well the Bhagavad Gita. Are you hearing or not?
देखो जब युद्ध ने किया कि उसने बोली हे चल
The Jamadutta told, hey,
उसके धक्का दे करके
go, and they pushed him inside the
ऐसे धक्का दिया
gate of Swarga and said,
याद रखना
go inside and remember, you have to come out exactly in
हैं
24 minutes. You have to come out.
ज्यादा देर मत करना
Don't
बिल्कुल
be
टाइम
late.
पड़ेगा
You should be really on
देखो
time.
व्यक्ति अंदर में गए
So the man went inside. He saw a really beautiful Swarga look.
इतना सुंदर
So beautiful.
सब जगह घूमते घूमते देखा एक
He
जगह में
was
स्वर्ग में
going everywhere.
विशाल
He
विष्णु
saw
मंदिर भी है।
there was a big
देखो
Vishnu
भगवान का
Mandir in
मंदिर भी
Swarga. So even in Swarga, there's a temple of Vishnu
यहाँ
in
पर स्वर्ग
Swarga.
में स्वयं भगवान उपेंद्र के रूप
Actually, in
में
Swarga, Bhagavan is in the form of Upendra, the younger brother of Indra.
किंतु देखो मंदिर में कोई जाए
But who will go to the temple, right? In Swarga.
सप्त सुख में भोग सुख में
Everybody is
मस्त है।
happy, enjoying so much, intoxicated in sense gratification. Who will go to the temple in Swarga?
हम कहते हैं आइए मंदिर में आइए
Well, sometimes we say, come to the temple, and the others like, yes, yes, I'll go one day. I'll
अरे
go.
घर में इतने सुंदर टीवी लगा हुआ है
But
तो क्या टीवी लगा है
like you have a nice TV in your house. You have a colored TV in your house or not? Which TV you have?
टेबल से कलर टीवी लगा है बड़ा है
He said-
छोटा है बड़ा स्क्रीन
You have a great big screen.
स्क्रीन है कि नहीं
You have a screen or not in your TV? Like a big screen.
हर घर में भाई एसी लगा हुआ है
You have also AC in your house, AC, big screen, very nice, huh?
एयर कंडीशनर कहाँ
Air conditioning. I like to go to the temple, come on.
बैठना पड़ेगा
I have to sit on the floor in the temple, but here you can sit very nicely.
अच्छा इससे सैकड़ों गुना तो किसमें है
So even billion times better happiness in Swarga Loka. So who will go to the temple and hear Harikatha in Swarga?
क्या बोलेंगे
What the speaker will say to the listeners in Swarga?
कथा बच्चों वही बोलेंगे
He will say,
छोड़ो घर बार छोड़ो
give up the material things
वृंदावन में चलो
and go to Vrindavan.
है तो आप छोड़ने के लिए बोलते हैं
He would say to give up.
कोई नहीं बोलते छोड़ो
Nobody would say connect.
अरे पैसा जोड़ो और संत महात्मा
Connect
कहते
the
हैं,
money.
छोड़ो।
The saints are saying, give up everything.
वैराग्य की कथा बोलते रहते हैं
So speaking in Annunciation Katha.
मेरे मंदिर में कौन जाए ये
So
बाबा जी को
who will go to the temple? This Babaji is actually,
अपने घर छोड़ करके आए हैं
the Babaji has left his family and also he also wants, he's like brainwashing everyone and wants to everyone to also leave their families. Come on, what is this?
कौन जाए मंदिर में
Who will go to the temple here,
जो
Harikatha?
मंदिर है ना
That's why the temple of Vishnu in Swarga is completely empty.
एक पुजारी केवल बैठे हैं भागवत पाठ कर
Only one pujari is there sitting and doing Bhagavad
देखो
Katha.
घूमते घूमते वही भागवत जहाँ पर कथा चल रही ना वहीं पर बैठ गए
So the man came also sat in the Bhagavad Katha.
ऐसे कथा प्रसंग
Tradução
आ
para
गया
português não tá rolando? Tradução para português?
भागवत पाठ
De
कर
boa?
रहे थे ये कथा कहने लगे देखो
So in this part of the Bhagavad Gita, the speaker was saying, look, he was saying the following.
भगवान साक्षात रूप में
Where Bhagavad Gita is going on, God is also present
जहाँ
there.
पर भागवत
And
भूत पिशाच
where the
कभी
Bhagavad
नहीं,
Gita is going on, also no ghosts
भक्त
and no witches can come. Not even the father of death can come. What to speak of Jamadutas? Not even the father of Jamaharaj, father of death, can come when the Bhagavad Gita is going on. So that person thought, whoa, very nice, huh? I'll sit here. And he decided to sit here. He decided to sit down.
जहाँ पर भागवत कथा होती है ना वहाँ पर जमदूत नहीं है
So this show where the Bhagavad Gita is going on,
देखो
Jamadutas
घर
will
में
not come.
भागवत रखो
If you keep Bhagavad in your house,
कम से कम क्या रखना चाहिए गीता रखो
at least the Bhagavad Gita, keep it in your house.
और गंगा जल और तुलसी
What of the Ganges and Tulasi?
के साथ जमदूत को भी दिखाओ।
So no,
कहते हैं ये हमारे घर में
no witch or ghost will come in your house. Some people say, oh, some ghost is in my house, something strange going on. Then I tell to the person,
नहीं है
it's not a ghost, no.
कहाँ से भूत आ जाएगा
So this translation, sorry, this boat will come from where? This ghost, you tell me.
भूत कहाँ से आ जाएगा
Actually, the ghost comes from where? Actually, demigods are coming to your house to have darshan. And you're thinking he's a ghost, but actually there's a demigod in your house.
हो सकता है तुम्हारे मित्रों जो
Maybe some forefathers come to see you, your forefathers.
बेटा बेटी
Oh, what my son and daughter they're doing.
कभी कभी देखो
Sometimes.
असत्य है।
This is true. This is true.
ये लोग आते हैं दर्शन करते
They
हैं
come, the forefathers come to have darshan.
वो नाक पर जो है सब लोग में चले जाते हैं
Like a pious soul go to
उनके में स्मृति
Sargaloka,
रहता है
then he remembers.
स्मरण रहता है
He still remembers.
ये मेरा बेटा बेटी के मैं धन दिया वो क्या
Oh, I give donation to my sons and daughters. What they are doing?
करें कि नहीं
They're using properly the money or not? Or they are just wasting their money and drinking alcohol?
कभी कभी असली
So
रूप में
sometimes, even in a like some
और आप सोचते हो क्या
subtle
है
body,
वो?
he's coming to your house and you think he's a ghost.
भूत को तुम सहन हो।
You were a bhoot.
भूत शब्द का अर्थ क्या है?
Bhoot means what?
अतीत।
Past.
भूत शब्द के सब क्या कहा गया अतीत है।
So bhoot
क्या
means
कहा गया?
past.
अतीत का अर्थ अतीत नहीं इसको past tense का-
Past tense.
का-
Past
क्या
tense.
बोलते हैं?
Atit Kal is also called bhoot.
आगे आने वाला है
He said the past tense. The boy told past tense means the future. No, past tense means what past.
भूत शब्द का अर्थ होता है अतीत का हैं? बात ही सत्य है।
This is true.
वो तुम्हारे घर में आते हैं
So they come to your house to see you actually, your forefathers.
अच्छा तो लोग दर्शन किस लिए करते हैं देखते हैं ठीक चल
Why? They want to see everything is okay or not. And also this forefather wants that you give some Mahaprasad to them.
कभी कभी
Sometimes
संत महात्मा यानी जो लोग चले गए ना आते हैं
some saints also that left, they come back
ठाकुर जी की उचित से जो
to
महाप्रसाद
take the Mahaprasad from the deity. They come to take Mahaprasad from the deity in your house.
सत्य है
This is true.
इस धर्म के बारे हमें बोले जे
I came to this house, I told. They told me what happened. They said some,
मैं इस घर में हवन किया कि नहीं
both, then I came to the house, I came, they first sacrifice or not.
उनके लिए
They said there was some ghost or something. Then I gave prasad to the person who was the ghost, never came back. Actually, it was not a ghost.
संत दीक्षा दिया
The person took Diksha from the Guru.
भगवत नाम किया
He's chanting many names. How will the person become a ghost? You tell me.
वो तो वही बन सकते हैं जो
Only a ghost, a person who is a ghost is somebody who is not proper behavior, like evil, wicked person, and then the person becomes ghost, like Dundukari person. A person like Dundukari. Then he'll try to haunt you like this.
इसलिए बनते हैं
Actually, the person becomes a ghost,
शरीर में बहुत जलन होता है
and the ghost feels so much pain in his body.
आत्मा मृत्यु होती
Those who die a tragic death,
है शरीर में बहुत कष्ट होता
they feel so much pain in their body.
है
Tragic
वो ये
death.
चाहते हैं मुझे
So
कोई
the
उद्धार
ghost
करे।
wants somebody to deliver him from that situation.
स्वयं धुंधुकारी
Actually, Dundukari told his brother Gokarna, he told,
मैं बता देता
he'll tell. I mean, I'll tell this
भैया
person.
मुझे
He told, brother,
भूत जनी से
please deliver me from this ghost body.
कोई मुझे उद्धार करे। है? जैसे देखो एक व्यक्ति पानी में गिर जाए
Like if somebody falls in the water,
वो क्या करना चाहते हैं
the person wants to
उदाहरण
what?
के लिए एक पत्ता भी पानी में देके उसको पकड़ ले
He wants
सोचते
to-
हैं, ये भी मुझे
Even if he sees a stone, he'll try to catch the stone, thinking the stone might deliver him from the ocean. He doesn't think, oh, if I catch this stone, I'll drown in the ocean. No.
ठीक उसी प्रकार ये
O Krishna aqui para não está traduzindo, esse horário é dele, não é não?
ये अति
So,
कष्टदायक शरीर का होता है जंतु
the ghost body, you're feeling so much pain
वो
in
ये
this moment.
चाहते हैं मुझे भी उद्धार करें
So the ghost wants actually somebody to deliver him from that situation. This is what the ghost wants.
चलो अगली कथा सुनाते हैं। इसलिए भागवत में जो कथा प्रसंग आ रहे हैं और ये जहाँ पर भागवत कथा होती है वह पर जमदूत
Ou é da Chuta geralmente?
वो बैठे
So where the Bhagavad Gita is going on, the Jamadutas don't come. Okay, so 24 minutes passed and he sat down already. He was sitting down in the temple. 1 hour passed, 2 hours passed, and he was sitting in the temple.
जमदूत बैठे
And the Jamadutas were eating outside,
सर्कल के बाहर गेट पर
outside the gate of Swargalok.
ना जाने कितने मच्छर भी है
So many mosquitoes outside the gate of Swarga, biting them, and they was like, the Jamadutas suffering with the mosquitoes. Why he's not coming out? Why he's not coming out?
लोग मानते नहीं है पहले अरे जो मर गया कहाँ भूत कौन
Avisa a
होता है?
Chuta então.
है? जमदूत थोड़ी आता है कि वो एक सत्य घटना है इस-
I'll tell you,
थोड़ी सी घटना आपको बता दूं।
I want to tell you something
एक
that is true.
ब्राह्मण थे
There was a Brahmana.
है? वो ब्राह्मण है? जन्मपत्री जो है देखते थे तो एक व्यक्ति आए
This Brahmana used
अपने
to
बेटा
check the
की
Janma Patra, means the
शादी के जो है
Mapashtra, like the
ये बता दिए
birth chart.
पंडित जी
So
मेरे बेटा
one
की
person
जो है,
came to the Brahmana, to the Pandit, like Brahmana, and said, please check the birth chart of my son and check the proper muhurta for his wedding.
तो पंडित जी सारे शास्त्र
So the Pandit Ji, this Brahmana, opened the Shastra to check the birth chart and everything. And then in this moment, one person came, another person
वो
came.
बहुत उनके पुराने मित्र थे
This person was his very old friend. Seeing his old friend, the person said,
यहाँ पर कैसे आ गए
you died 40 years ago, how did you come here?
मैंने हाँ मित्र तुमने जो बताया ना
My
वैसे ही
friend, yeah, this is true. I really died. 40 years ago, I died. I gave up my body 40 years
मरने के
ago.
बाद मैं
After dying,
जमदूत
I became a Jamadut.
तो तुम यहाँ पर आए किस लिए
So why did you come
मुझे
here?
लेने के लिए
To take me? No, no, no.
अरे देखो वो व्यक्ति का आपके
You
पास
see, this person who has just come to you to ask for his birth chart of his son, to get check the wedding Vermont, the Mesmotment, I mean, something about his son's life and something. He came
वो
to
व्यक्ति देखो अभी
this person
10
actually.
मिनट के बाद मर जाएगा।
After 10 minutes, he will die. This person who came here just now.
जब महाराज मुझे
So
भेजा,
Jam Maharaj
उसके लिए अभी हमारे पास
sent
time
me
है।
to
5-7
take his
मिनट
soul.
time है।
So I have 5 minutes
मैंने
spare.
सोचा,
So I thought, oh, I have 5 minutes. So
अब तो मेरा बहुत
you are my great friend, a very close friend. So I thought I'd meet you. That's why I came
तो
here.
सही है।
This is true. Yes.
ठीक 10 मिनट के बाद
So yeah, exactly after 10 minutes,
वो व्यक्ति चले गए।
that other man really died.
इसके बाद
Then after that,
वो बोले ये बात कैसे सत्य है? फिर दूसरी दिन वही व्यक्ति आ गया।
the next day,
तो वो बोले बात सत्य है? हाँ जी। तो
he
इसके
came
बाद
back
तो
again.
जब
Okay,
वो
this is
कैसे
true.
बना?
That was really true, right? Yes, yes.
उन्होंने बोला
Okay,
ये देखो
so how did you become a Jamadut? Then that this man told me.
अनेक दिन में कैदी होकर रहते ना, उसको क्या करते? पुराने कैदी ना नया कैदी के ऊपर उसको काम कराते रहते, उसको पिटाई करना ये करना वही काम करते हैं।
Like for
बोले
example,
उसी में कहा जो पुराने जो
those who are going to hell many times,
वो क्या करते हैं?
their job is to
दूसरे के पिटाई करने के काम
beat the other person and make them work. So he told, I'm doing this. This is true.
वो तो अनेक कथा से पता है। चलो जिस कथा हमने श्रवण करा वो बैठे जब तो बाहर बैठे रहे
Okay, so the Jamadutas, they were sitting
ऐसे करके
outside.
2 घंटे 3 घंटे 4 घंटे हो गए।
Even 4 hours passed and the Jamadutas are waiting.
6 घंटे के बाद बाहर आ गया।
After 6 hours, finally the boy, the man came out and the Jamadutas were so angry with him. We told you to go inside and you should go only for 24 minutes. How did you spend so many hours?
जब उसको बड़ा धक्का दे तो ये पिटाई कर ऐसे गर्जन करते रहे। अरे मिलने समय तो कहा
Then Jamadutas, like beating him and brought him into Jamaraj said, oh, why did you stay so much time there? Then Jamaraj with so much love told, my son, I told you to stay for 24 minutes in Swarga. How did you stay a long time? Then the man told, I met a temple in Swarga. A saint was reading the Bhagavatam in Swarga. So I sat down in his Bhagavad Katha. And I heard Bhagavad Katha in Swarga Lok.
भागवत श्रवण कर ले क्या बोला मैंने भागवत
So he told, I just heard the Bhagavatam.
क्या सुना
What did you hear?
उसने भागवत
He heard the Bhagavatam.
वो बालक बहुत चलाक था
That man was really clever. So he came to Jamaraj and said, may I ask something? Jamaraj said, okay, tell me.
भागवत सुन लेते हैं उसके फल क्या है बताइए
What is the fruit of somebody who is listening to Bhagavad Katha? What is the fruit? You tell me.
कोई भागवत सुन ले एक शब्द भी सुन
So even if you hear one word from the Bhagavatam, what is the fruit you get? Tell me.
जब महाराज बोले थे मैं बता नहीं सकता
I cannot say
ये
it.
ठीक ठीक मैं बता नहीं सकता
I cannot say it properly.
कि महाराज आप नहीं बता सकते
You cannot say Maharaj.
भागवत फल भागवत श्रवण की फल क्या
What
है
is the fruit of hearing Bhagavat?
बताइए
Please tell me.
जब महाराज बोले चलो एक काम करते हैं
Jamaraj said, okay, look,
ब्रह्मा जी के पास चलते हैं
let's go to Brahmaji and ask him.
चलो
Brahmaloka. So they went.
ब्रह्मा जी बोले मैं भी बता नहीं सकता
Brahmaji told, oh, I cannot say as well.
कथा सुन ले श्रवण कर ले उसके फल क्या है मैं बता
I cannot say the fruit of, what is the fruit of hearing Bhagavad Katha.
ब्रह्मा जी बोले शिव लोक में चले
Okay, so Brahma said, okay, let's go to Shiva Lok. So we went to Shiva Lok,
शिव और पार्वती सदा
where Shiva and Parvati, they're always discussing Bhagavad Katha.
शिव जी बोले मैं भी बता नहीं सकता
Shiva also said, I cannot say the fruit also.
श्रवण करें
If somebody hears Bhagavad Katha,
फल क्या है
what is the fruit? Who can say?
शिव जी बोले हम बता नहीं सकते
Shiva said, I cannot say.
बस भगवान
Okay, who will say the answer? Swayam Bhagavan can say.
बोले चलो कहाँ चले
Okay, so let's go where?
वैकुंठ में
Let's go to Vaikuntha.
वो व्यक्ति बहुत चलाते हैं बोले
That person was really clever. He said, look, since morning you have been taking me here and there.
और फिर शिव लोक में फिर
First Brahmalok, then Shivalok, now it's saying to Vaikuntha. I cannot walk anymore. Then they thought, but if you don't go, then what is the purpose?
बोले मैं थक गया
He said, okay, but I'm tired. So
ब्रह्मा जी शिव जी एक विचार इसके लिए
Brahma and Shiva, they decided, okay, let's make a very nice palanquin for him.
अच्छा पालकी उसे पालकी कौन लेकर के चले
But who would carry his palanquin, right?
कुछ देवताओं के बोले
So they called some demigods and
इसके
told,
पालकी लेकर के चले हैं? चार छह देवता जो पीछे में और 4-6 देवता
4 demigods taking in front and 4 in the back. And he was sitting very nicely in the palanquin, relaxed, nice,
आधा बैठे हुए आराम से बैठे।
relaxed, super comfy,
आगे
comfortable.
पीछे
And behind also in front, so many demigods also were together. All the G's, Ganesh G, Shiv G,
हैं? जितने देवी
all the
हैं,
G's, the demigods, they also came, were along in that procession.
दुर्गा जी,
Durga Ji also, which other G?
ब्रह्मा जी, शिव जी, हैं? सब
All the
देवता
G's.
लोग, सब जी कितने जी होता है
How many G's are there?
पता नहीं
You don't know?
हैं? कोई जी होता है
4G. How many G's? 4G. No, the internet, 4G.
सब जी बैठे हैं, सब चले गए। और थोड़ी दूर जाने के बाद मुझे
4Gs,
बोलो,
4G.
क्या बोले? मुझे गर्मी लगे
Then he was saying, oh, I'm feeling hot.
फिर उनके पंखा पे
And then they started fanning him. And he was like super comfy, relaxed, like laying back, and somebody fanning him in the palanquin.
वैकुंठ के दरवाजा पर आ गए ना
So when he came to the door of Vaikuntha,
देखा
Lakshmi Devi saw from
हजारों
outside
देवियां जो है
thousands of gods, goddesses, demigods coming in a great procession.
हवा कर रहे हैं।
Somebody fanning that person, somebody
सब
doing
जी
some.
लगे हुए सब।
All the G's there, all the demigods.
लक्ष्मी जाति के भगवान विष्णु ने
Lakshmi
बोले,
also came to Bhagavan Vishnu. Lakshmi
कौन आ
said,
रहे हैं?
who is coming? He's coming to our
ये
Vaikuntha.
व्यक्ति पलकी में आराम से
One
बैठे
person
हुए हैं,
sitting nicely in the palanquin, and many
उनके
people
आगे पीछे
in front of him, behind,
देव देवियां जी
demigods, all the G's, all the, doing a procession, serving him, fanning
देखो इस
him.
कथा को सुन करके
Hearing
भगवान
this,
विष्णु बोले,
Bhagavan
"लक्ष्मी,
Vishnu
जल्दी
told
जल्दी मेरा प्रसादी माला
Lakshmi,
लेकर
bring quickly my prasadi
इसका
mala
स्वागत करना है।
to welcome him, a garland, Mahaprasada garland of
अरे
him.
मेरा परम भक्त आ गया।
My great devotee came, bring a
क्या है?
garland.
मेरा परम भक्त
My great devotee has arrived.
है। स्वयं भगवान विष्णु
Bhagavan Vishnu directly,
उनके भी माला की माला दी
he
और
put a garland in his neck
उनको वसुंधरा स्थान पर
and
बैठाया।
put him to sit in a very nice
देवता
place.
लोग भी अपने स्थान पर भी बैठे।
Demigods also sat.
भगवान विष्णु भी वहाँ पर
Bhagavan Vishnu
विराजमान हुए।
also was there.
और इसके पश्चात स्वयं जब महाराज जी ये प्रश्न किया ये व्यक्ति
Then Jamaraj asked this question to Vishnu. One person heard
अरे
Bhagavad
भागवत
Katha.
श्रवण की फल क्या है?
What is the fruit of hearing Bhagavad Katha? I want to know that.
देखो
He wants to
भगवान
know.
ने बहुत सरल रूप में
Bhagavan
उत्तर
Vishnu
दिया।
gave a simple
क्या
answer.
उत्तर दिया?
What is the answer?
यही फल है।
This is the
बोले,
fruit.
क्या फल है? बोले, जो भगवान की
What is the
कथा
fruit?
श्रवण भागवत
If somebody
कथा
hears
श्रवण
Bhagavad
करते हैं,
Katha,
वो कहाँ पहुँच जाते हैं?
he reaches until
धामी
the abode of Lord.
वृंदावन बिहारी
Lal ki jai.
भागवत कथा श्रवण की फल क्या है?
The fruit of hearing Bhagavad Katha is that directly you attain Bhagavan. You must hear Bhagavad Katha.
ये तो कैसे सुनना चाहिए?
How to hear it?
विधि बल सुनना।
Following all the rules. Vidibha.
इसलिए एक उपाख्यान भी सुनाया। गोकर्ण और
So this story is also there, the story of Gokarna and
हो जाए।
Dandukari.
कोई सा विलंबन से होते हैं।
So they will
हैं?
a little bit late. So let's do 5 minutes kirtan. Then we'll do a little bit Harikatha more and then kirtan. Then Arati, sorry. This is a nice boy, nice boy. Very intelligent. Which class? What is your class? You're not wearing tilak. I'll put the phone down just because I don't have a stand, okay? Just to rest on my hands.
श्रद्धया हेलियावा भगवन्मात्रं तारेत कृष्ण भगवन्मात्रं तारेत कृष्ण श्री राम महाराज की जय 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 श्री राधे
मैं बोलूँगा नाम रस मीठा रे, आप लोग कहेंगे मीठा रे मीठा रे। नाम रस मीठा रे मीठा रे मीठा रे, नाम रस मीठा रे मीठा रे मीठा रे, रस मीठा रे मीठा रे
छोटा
आरती करा देते हैं।
Be patient. After 10 minutes, we'll also do Arati.
थोड़ा विलंब से तथा आरंभ होने के नाते
So they will,
हम 10 मिनट लेट से
we started the kata 10 minutes late, so also we'll finish 10 minutes.
थोड़ी सी
after.
कथा आपने के लिए मैं आपके लिए वर्णन
So I
करता
want
हूँ।
to describe a small kata to you.
भागवत कथा की महात्मा बहुत है।
The words of the Bhagavad Gita are
एक
so
कथा
much.
श्रवण करने से
By hearing Bhagavad Gita,
वहाँ से महापापी भी इस संसार से
even the great sinners, they can be delivered from the material world.
इस कथा को जो पद्म पुराण में और भी सुंदर रूप में वर्णन
The Padma Purana described it so well.
इस कथा की संक्षेप में आपने मैं वर्णन करता हूँ जिसे कहा जाता है गोकर्ण
So the story of
की कथा।
Gokarna
प्राचीन
in
काल में दक्षिण देश में
Dundukari in the ancient time in the South India,
तुंगभद्रा नदी के तट पर
on the banks of the
वहाँ पर एक
river
सुंदर
Tungabhadra,
ब्रह्म
there was a very
शहर
nice
जहाँ पर
town.
लोगों की भीड़ रहे भीड़ रहा बहुत सुंदर परिवेश भी रहा
And there was a very nice
उसी
environment,
स्थान
nice
पर
place.
एक धनाढ्य
And
ब्राह्मण रहा
then there was a
उस ब्राह्मण के नाम का
wealthy Brahmana.
आत्मदेव
His name was Atmadeva Brahmana.
वह आत्मदेव ब्राह्मण धन इतना था कि तो बहुत कंजूस था
He had a lot of money, but he was very miser. A lot of bringing
वो धन
miser.
ना किसी को दान दक्षिणा दे देते ना स्वयं भोग करते
he would not use his money for himself and also not for anyone. He was really miser, a lot of really miser.
कोई नहीं था, केवल अपने पत्नी धुंधुली के साथ रहा। उनकी पत्नी भी नाम भी सुंदर है।
So he used to stay with his wife, and this wife, the name of his wife is so beautiful, you cannot find anywhere in the Shastras. Dhunduli.
घर में जो धुंधली मचाने वाले हैं,
Like somebody who's creating a chaos in the house,
झगड़ालू,
like somebody who's so much quarrelsome, somebody who likes to
ऊपर से
argue.
बहुत सुंदर मीठी मीठी
So her name is
बात करते हैं।
Dhunduli. Externally, he used to speak sweet things. When the Brahman was in the house, he's listening very well. This boy is really nice.
जब घर में पति रहता,
So when the husband was in the house, she used to speak sweet words with him. But when the husband was coming out of the house, then immediately she would
झगड़ा करना,
start to quarrel with the neighbors, and
इसलिए उनके नाम ही ऐसी कहा
that's
जाता
why
है।
her
क्या
name
नाम
is,
रखा?
which name?
धुंधुली। है।
Dhunduli, her name. Wow.
और वो खाने पीने में बहुत शौकीन, खाने पीने पहने में ऐसे
She wanted to eat very well and dress very nicely. Anyway,
वृद्धकाल आने लगा।
so the youth of the Brahmana passed in this way, he became old, but he
मेरे
was,
पास इतने धन है, अगाध धन है,
he thought, I have so much wealth, so
ये
much
धन
money.
मैं क्या करूं?
What will I do with all this money? To whom will I give this money after my death, before my death? I have no children.
इसलिए मैं बहुत प्रचेष्टा करने लगी,
So he tried a lot
कोई पुत्र करना
to
हो
have
जाए,
a son or daughter,
किंतु किसी प्रकार से हुआ ही नहीं।
but he wasn't able to have any sons or daughters. Then one day,
एक स्थान पर बैठ करके रोटी
he sat in one place and he was crying.
और भगवत इच्छा से एक सन्यासी संत महात्मा,
And by the desire of Lord, a saint came also.
संत महात्मा आत्मदेव ब्राह्मण के रोते हुए
The
देख
saint
करके
saw
कहने लगे,
Atmadeva Brahmana crying and said, why are you crying? Tell me.
तो संत महात्मा के चरण पकड़ के और भी रोने
So holding the feet of the saint, he was crying even more and more. The Brahmana cried even more and more. The saint tried to pass out for him and told him what happened. Please tell me.
मेरे पास बहुत धन है,
Maharaj, I have so much wealth,
किंतु मेरा कोई पुत्र संतान
but I
है।
have no sons and daughters. I have no
आप
children.
तो संत महात्मा हो, आप मुझे एक संपुत्र
You are a
संतान,
saint. Please give me some offspring, some children, a child.
संत
Please be
महात्मा
merciful.
सन्यासी करने लगा,
The
जब
saint sannyasi told,
तुम्हारी पुण्य
okay, let me
जन्म की
see.
क्या पुण्य है कि नहीं?
What is the punya you have from
तो
previous
संत
lives?
महात्मा धनस्थ होकर के देखा,
So the saint in meditation, he
एक
saw,
जन्म के उसके 7 जन्म तक कोई पुत्र संतान
not in one life, but for 7 lives,
बना ही नहीं।
he wouldn't be able at all to get children in 7 lives.
अरे एक जन्म के इस जन्म के बाद छोड़ दीजिए,
So he said, Brahmana, what to speak of this life? For 7 lives, for 7 lives,
संतान संतति
you won't be able to
इसे
have
सुनते ही
any sons or daughters.
और भी बोली।
Hearing this, Atmadeva Brahmana
संत
cried even
महात्मा के
more.
चरण पकड़ के बोले, महाराज
So he held the feet of the saint, crying and said, Maharaj, you are a
किसी भी
saint.
प्रकार से
Try to make a solution, find a way for me to have a
संत
son.
महात्मा कहने लगे, देखो
The saint told, look,
ज्ञानं प्रजारूपं बलिष्ठ कर्मणे गति विवेक तु सदा समासक्त त्यज संसार वासनम। क्या कोई ब्राह्मण सुनो,
listen, Atmadeva Brahmana,
ये संसार वासना में त्याग करो।
give up these material desires.
संसार में कोई सुखी है?
There's no one happy in this world.
कोई सुखी नहीं, सब दुखी।
No one is happy, everyone's unhappy, miserable.
लोग चाहते हैं धन संपत्ति,
People
चाहते हैं,
want
किंतु
wealth,
सब
money, but actually everyone is unhappy.
दरिद्र कहे
The poor person
धनी
thinks
सुखी,
the rich
और
person is
धनी
happy.
कहे
Rich person is saying, oh, maybe the good person has more money than me is happy. The person is like so rich, he's saying, no, the king is happy. King says, no, the Maharaj, the great king is
और
happy.
महाराजा कहे
The emperor says, Indra is happy. Indra says, I'm not happy also. Brahma is happy.
ब्रह्मा कहे कोई नहीं सुखी है।
Brahma says, no one is happy, my friend. Everyone is unhappy.
गरीब है, भजन बिना सब छूट दुखी।
Without Hari Bhajan, everyone is unhappy.
किंतु देखो कोई संसार में पागल हो जाते ना,
But when somebody is crazy for material things and family and things, even if you try to tell the person cannot understand.
महाराज आप
So
संत
Atmadeva Brahmana said, oh, you are
इसी प्रकार से
a saint.
मुझे संतान दो।
Somehow give me a son. or daughter, some child.
पूर्वार्ध विचितं धनं पूर्वार्ध विचितं कर्मं पूर्वार्ध विचितं वित्तं पूर्वं धावति धावति धावति
Shastra
पूर्व
explains,
प्राप्त जन्म में जैसे जैसे
according to the karma you did in your previous lives,
फल आपके आगे आगे दौड़ रहे हैं
the fruit of this karma is running behind
आपको
you.
नहीं पड़ेगा
Like you need to run to your fruits. The fruits of your karma, they are running to you to give the fruits to you.
इसलिए शास्त्र में लिखा पूर्वार्ध विचितं धनं
The wealth you gave in previous lives. Like if in previous life you gave some donation or charity, the fruit of this punya, pious deeds will come to you. If you also commit some sinful activities, this consequence of these sinful activities also are coming to you and you must suffer them.
पुण्य पुत्र भाग्य भाज्य तपे राजा
So if you have done pious deeds, you'll have a good son.
ये पुण्य क्रिया
So if you did good deeds, you'll get a son.
अच्छी सौभाग्य हो
Like if you have a good destiny or good fortune, you'll get a nice wife.
कम से कम घर को अच्छी बनती
Some woman who will take care of the house. Otherwise, the woman, instead of sweeping the floor, she will do opposite.
तपे राजा पूर्व जन्म में भी तपस्या किया
Tape Raja, if you did austerities in previous life,
राजा भी
also you will get
ये कोई संदेह नहीं
a lot of like wealth and you'll be a great king. But if you didn't do anything in previous lives for this, so the saint told, for 7 lives, you cannot get a son in 7 lives because of your karma. Stop having this desire. But the Brahmana said, no, Maharaj, give me some solution.
संत महात्मा के हृदय द्रवीभूत हो गए संत
So the saint's heart melted. Saint's heart is like the butter.
अरे देखो मक्खन के जो है हाथ में लड़के उंगली पर उठाए तो मक्खन हाथ के ताप से
Krishna says, if you take the butter with your hand,
पिघल जाता है
the butter will melt from the heat of your finger. But the saints, only by seeing each other people's faults, sorry, other people's suffering, the saint's heart melts. Only by seeing the other people's suffering.
संत महात्मा
So like even the heart
आंखों से ब्राह्मण कैसे रोना
softer than butter. So
द्रवीभूत हो रही है अरे ठीक
the saint, his heart melted when he saw the crying of Atmadeva
फल
Brahman.
दे दिया उनके पुत्र के फल दे दिया जाओ इस
So he
फल को
gave
अपने
a
पत्नी
fruit.
को खिला दो
And told, give this fruit to your wife.
सुंदर बालक के
And then your wife will give birth to a beautiful boy.
आत्मदेव ब्राह्मण
The Brahmana
प्रेम से
Atmadeva,
गदगद हो गई
he became choked
उस
with
फल को लेकर के आए
love, like so
और अपने
happiness,
पत्नी
so much happiness. He
क्या नाम है पत्नी के नाम? क्या है?
came back to his house and gave
क्या बताया?
this fruit to his wife.
पूछो ना। अच्छा
So this is a good boy. So you remember what I'm saying? I'll ask you. Okay. So what was the wife's name?
किंतु देखो
Wife's name was Dunduri.
इस कथा को सुन करके धुंधली मन में विचार करने लगे मेरे पतिदेव कैसे हो
So, Dunduli
फल खाने
thought,
से कोई बच्चा होता
What is my husband saying? Does anyone have a baby just by eating fruits? Come on. Where is written that you can have babies by eating fruits?
कितने लोग तो फल खाता है
So many people eat fruits, and do they have
कहाँ
kids?
हमारे पति कोई संत महात्मा मेरी फैमिली सब संत महात्मा मिल गया हाँ?
My husband found some saint and the saint is saying this. Come on, what is this?
कौन से संत महात्मा दे दिए ये फल खाने से
Some saint gave him this fruit, and now he's saying that from eating the fruit, I'll get pregnant. Come on. And then maybe she thought, no, but what if he's a proper saint? And really,
खा ही लिया
and if I eat this fruit and really I become pregnant,
बच्चा है
what if I really become pregnant?
सिवा तो हो
Oh,
जाएगा कि नहीं
too.
मेरे धीरे धीरे पेट बड़ा हो
Slowly,
जाएगा
slowly my belly will grow.
चल नहीं पा
I'll not be able to walk
ठीक से
even.
सो नहीं पा
I won't be able to sleep. I won't be able to turn on the
यहाँ
bed.
तक नहीं घर में
Shift the
चोर
side.
लेके आ जाए
Even if some dacoit come in my house, try to rob, I'll not be able to run away, escape, and they'll maybe kill me.
बहुत कुछ विचार करने की
So she was thinking so many things.
समय उनके दूर समय कोई
Then after some time, some sister, like some relative, very far relationship, like a cousin,
मैं अभी भी गर्भवती हूँ ये काम कर
came and told, listen to Duli,
मुझे कुछ पैसा दे दो
I am
मेरे
pregnant
पति को
now.
कुछ पैसा दे देना
Give some money to my
मैं
husband.
जब समय पर जब बच्चा दे दूँ बच्चा जन्म दूंगी
When my son will be born, I'll give my son to you.
और ये फल को क्या करूँ ये फल को गाय को खिलाऊं
And you can give this fruit for the cow
दूल्हे
too.
ने क्या की
So Dunduli,
फल को
she gave the fruit to the
पेट
cow.
में कपड़ा बांध करके रखा
And she just pretended she was pregnant.
पड़ोसी को दिखाया कि मैं गर्भवती
And she showed her husband and neighbors that she was pregnant.
की बात है भगवान जब जिसको देते हैं ना
But it's amazing, when God gives something to someone, He gives in abundance. so much that thing will maybe fall on your head because like so much abundant in quantity. So you see, Atmadeva Brahmana, he was thinking, oh my. Even the cow also of my house was pregnant now. Not only my wife, but my cow as well. Really, everyone was so amazing, shocked, so amazing. Everybody was speaking about it. Oh, the Brahman Atmadev, look at his good fortune. His wife is pregnant, his cow as well. Even his cow is pregnant. After some time, his cow gave birth to a beautiful boy. The cow gave birth to a boy, a human boy. Just like a human boy. The only difference is that he had ears of a cow. Ears of a cow. The rest of the body was like human being. And that's why the name given to the son was Gokarna. Go means cow, Karna means ears. His ears were just like cows. The cows. So the name given was Gokarna. And the son that was born to Dunduli, the name was given a name similar to his mother. Huh? So the son of Dunduli is Dundukari. A similar name to of his mother. Like a similar name. So from Dunduli, mother came Dundukari. Somebody who is creating chaos, like smoke, like a chaos, horror. So Shastra explains the mother, what will happen? The quality of the mother comes to the sons, and the quality of the father comes to the daughters. This is in the scriptures. So two sons, Gokarna and Dundukari. So it was a big festival in the party because two sons were born. So the Brahmana Atmadeva called many Brahmanas give donation. Great festival because he got two sons at the same time. So he was so happy, making a very big party. Slowly the two boys, they grew up. But then their nature was completely different. The nature of Dundukari, he was so low, like low person. But the nature of Dundukari was, the nature of Gokarna was pure, mode of goodness. Because a son that you get from something given by a saint, this is of a good son. Whether it is from a human being or from a cow. So Gokarna, so calm, like mode of goodness, helping others, so humble. He had all the natures of a Brahmana. Gokarna had purity, faith in God, veracity, like speaking the truth, truthfulness. Gokarna had all these qualities. So the son of Dundukari is completely different. He was like evil, wicked, rascal, stupid, nonsense. Even when he was in school and he was young, he would just speaking with the boys, suddenly he would like stab the boys from school and also throw them in a well. Then when he started growing up, he became like a criminal, like he was stealing, drinking, doing so many bad things. Every day he would say, "My father, give me the money." Then the father would not give money. Then he would also start beating his own father. Every day. 10 or 11 p.m. or midnight he would come, and he would come drunk, completely drunk, and would speak like swear his parents and speaking bad things. Like the house was so like a chaos, like a completely not peaceful. Every day, not one day, but every day like a chaos in the house, like arguing and fights. The Brahmana Atmadeva became so upset. He came to his son Gokarna and told, "What should I do?"
मचा करके क्या
your
उस समय गोकर्ण
your
में
brother is disgracing this family. Then
बता दो,
Gokarna said,
आप ये संसार की वासना सब कुछ छोड़ करके
Father, give up all this material desire in this family. Do Bhagavad Bhajan.
वृंदावन में जाकर के भजन
Go to Vrindavan and do Bhajan, oh my father. Whatever happened, happened.
देखो गोकर्ण के ऐसे उपदेश
So we're receiving this instruction from Gokarna.
आत्मदेव ब्राह्मण ने घर संसार छोड़ के चले गए।
The Brahmatma Deva left his family and he went to one place in Vrindavan and stayed alone and did Bhagavad Bhajan.
आचार्य गोकर्ण ने विचार भी करने में किया।
So Gokarna thought what to do.
देखा उनके जो भाई
Esse Bhagavatam não é imatura no templo, não, é em outro lugar. Uma família que arranjou num lugar aqui, não é no templo.
धुंधली मचाने लगा।
So
पिता तो नहीं,
Gokarna thought, my father is not here anymore. And every day,
पिताजी कहाँ पैसा रखा? बताओ।
Dundukari would create also a cause of fight in the house, arguing, even beating his mother. Where is the money of my father? Where is the money of my father? So Gokarna didn't like that to stay like that. But one day, even his mother, Dunduli, she killed herself in the middle of the night.
घर में और गोकर्ण विचार करने लगे, पिताजी नहीं,
So Gokarna thought, my mother is not here, my father is also not here.
तीर्थ यात्रा के लिए
So Gokarna decided to go for pilgrimage in the pilgrimage places.
अकेला
So Dundukari stayed alone in the house.
चोरी डकैती करना,
So he
जितने
was
भी अपकर्म ऐसे लिखा।
all the bad things like stealing he started doing also.
पांच वेश्या के लिए
Even he kept 5 prostitutes in the house. 5.
एक दिन राजकोष में गए।
One day
राजकोष से
he went to
राजा
the
के धन को अपहरण कर
kingdom
मणि मुक्ता
and
अनेक
he
प्रकार की
stole many like diamonds and jewels and pearls from the king, belonged to the king, wealth from the king, gold.
पांच वेश्या को दिखा, देखो देखो
And he showed to the 5 prostitutes later, look what I've stolen.
उसको देख करके पांच वेश्या
Then
विचार करने
the 5
लगी,
prostitutes,
अरे
they
ये
saw,
राजा की धन है।
but this belongs to the
आज
king.
काल में राजा
Early in the
के लोग
morning,
आ
the
जाएंगे
king's
और हम उनके बंद करके
servants will come and they will arrest us. They will be beaten.
उस समय
What
धुंधुकारी
is this? Then Dundukari,
शराब पी हुई थी।
he was drunk at that moment.
देखो ये पांच वेश्या ने मंत्रणा की, ये क्या की है? जब धुंधुकारी शराब पी करके ऐसे गिरे हुए पड़े हुए थे,
So Dundukari was
उस
drunk
समय
on the
पांच
floor.
वेश्या ने किसी हाथ और पैर पे जाए रस्सी से
So the
कस करके
prostitutes bound him,
और बांध
feet
करके मुंह में
in the hands,
कपड़ा भी
and put a cloth in his
और अच्छी तरह
mouth
से
also.
टाइट कर
And they beat him so much so that he would die, but he was not dying.
अंत में देखो
In the
वो
end,
पांच वेश्या ने की जलती हुई
these 5
लकड़ी,
prostitutes
आग
took
से जलती हुई
one piece
लकड़ी
of
को
wood,
लेकर के
like torch, burning stick, and put in his mouth.
और अंत धुंधुकारी
Then
तड़पते तड़पते
Dundukari,
प्राण
suffering, like he left his
और
body.
पांच वेश्या ने क्या की?
Then the 5
धुंधुकारी
prostitutes
के वो मृत शरीर को लेकर
took his
के
dead body,
उनके
and
अंदर में एक बड़ा
there was in the court, like in the garden of the house, in the courtyard, but there was
और
a
बड़ा
well.
पत्थर को
They put his body inside the well and also covered it with a
और
big
रातों
stone.
रात पांचों वेश्या ने क्या की? सारे
middle of the
धन
night.
लेकर के फरार हो गए।
They took all the money and fled
पता
away.
नहीं किसी
Nobody knew what had
कोई
what had
किसी ने
happened.
पता नहीं क्या हुआ।
Nobody knew what had happened.
ऐसे करते कुछ समय चले गए, 1-2 महीने हुए
So 1 or 2 months passed.
और देखो जो अपघात में मरता है ना,
But
वो
if
क्या
you die
बनता
a
है?
tragic death,
वही बोलते
you become
हैं।
a
यदि वो
ghost.
सद्गुरु से भी दीक्षा मंत्रा भी लेते
So
हैं ना,
if you take Diksha mantra from a bona fide guru and you chant holy names, you can never become a
वो
ghost.
यदि तुम्हारे घर में आते हैं ना, वो
So
महाप्रसाद
that
चाहते हैं।
if some ghost coming to your house, actually he's coming to you to listen Hari Katha or maybe to eat Mahaprasad in your house.
वो क्या
You're
हो गया?
thinking is
भूत बन कैसे
a ghost, but how can that person become a ghost? Ramananda Prabhu told, I was also telling. Actually, the person is not a ghost.
भगवत कथा श्रवण किया,
The person heard so much Bhagavad Gita, gave so much
लोगों की
donation,
सेवा की।
has served so many
वास्तव
people.
में मुद्रा में कितना थे गुरुदेव के इतने? क्या?
This person who left body was so dear to Gurudeva. He used to serve all the
छोटे बड़े
Vaishnavas,
सभी बच्चे को। मैं देखा
small and big, all
माता जी
Vaishnavas. Mataji
कितने
passed away.
दीन ही नहीं
She was so humble.
है। आप बताओ, वो भूत कैसे
So you
बोलते
tell me, how can she become a ghost?
हैं? मैं विश्वास नहीं करता।
I cannot believe this.
यदि तुम्हारे घर में किसी में आते हैं,
If somebody is coming to your house, you should understand.
वो तुम्हारे पास किस लिए आते हैं?
He's coming to your house
महाप्रसाद ग्रहण करने के
to
लिए।
take some Mahaprasad.
है? वो वैष्णव ही है।
She's a Vaishnavi.
वैष्णव क्या खाते?
Vaishnavas only eat Mahaprasad.
समझ में? ये विश्वास रखो।
You must have this faith. It's not a ghost.
कहने वाली है पर साथ गांड वाले बांस को रखा आदमी तो भूत जो होगी उसकी लिए।
Ah, they told her, put some bamboo with 7 knots. This is from only ghosts. That's not the case.
धुंधुकारी और क्या बन गई?
So Dhundhukari became
भूत महा
ghost. He was a great sinner, really. He became a ghost. He would haunt all the village. If I speak too much, you won't be able to sleep at night. You know how the ghosts are. He was like, ha, ha, ha. Sometimes he would manifest the form of a fire, big fire. Even throwing stones at the people. He was like haunting the people of the village. Some person coming in the darkness and he's like, ha, 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 to the person. Yes, he used to frighten everyone. The villagers, they're so afraid. So many people, they left the village even, they ran away from the village. So he was like a ghost in the village. After some time, Gokarna, after traveling the holy places, one day, he came to that village. He saw there was no one in the house was empty. So it was night time. He thought, okay, I'll sleep in my house, in my like 9 p.m., 10 p.m. His bed was moving. Somebody was moving his bed. He said, who is he? Who are you? Somebody was moving his bed. And somebody screaming so loudly and crying so loudly, sometimes in the form of a dog, sometimes the body of a buffalo, sometimes in the form of a cow. He saw all this. Gokarna understood. It's some ghost or witch. Gokarna said, who are you? Tell me. Come in your form and just tell me who are you. Then the person said, Bhaiya, oh my brother, Gokarna, I'm your brother, Dhundhukari. This such thing happened to me. I died a tragic death. As a fruit of this, I became a ghost. Please deliver me from this ghost body. So Gokarna heard this and said, okay, I'll go in many tirthas and do pindadan for you, like I will do offering, oblation. Just explains, you have to give pindadan in many places. Now they're Pitari Paksha. Now it's like the time of the year they do this for the forefathers. They go in the tirtha places, pilgrimage places, and give this pindadan for the forefathers. So Gokarna did this for his brother in all the places, and nothing happened, nothing changed. Because those were super sinners, like great sinners, like big sinners, they cannot be delivered by this pindadan. So then Gokarna worshipped the demigod of the sun, Surjadev. Surjadev came and told Gokarna, look, your brother was a great sinner, cannot be delivered only from pindadan. So you should tell some Bhagavad Gita for him, on his behalf. For him, for 7 days. 7 days. So they took one bamboo with 7 knots. And by some mantra they called the brother. He's a good boy, he remembered the name. So if somebody remembers me, the person is properly listening. So they called Dhundhukari to the bamboo. Then for 7 days he was speaking the Bhagavad Gita. So every day he would speak some of the Bhagavad Gita, and one knot of the bamboo was like bursting. So in this way 7 days of Bhagavad Gita passed, and all the 7 knots of the bamboo, they burst open. After the end of Bhagavad Gita, Dhundhukari manifested the form of demigod, body of demigod. He performed parikrama.
विमान पहुंचे
And there was a chariot, listening to chariot that came from Vaikuntha. He sat on this chariot and he left.
देख करके सब आश्चर्य।
Everyone's so
सारे
impressed.
श्रोता लोग कहने लगे,
All the other listeners, they also said, "Oh, your brother delivered, but why did we were not delivered as well?" We also heard Bhagavad Katha, or not? We heard those.
गोकर्ण ईश्वर ने
Gokarna gave a beautiful answer.
नहीं को फलम केवल सुनने से फल नहीं
You
होगा।
cannot get the fruit only from hearing the Harikatha. You also must remember it.
श्रवण के बाद स्मरण करना चाहिए। जैसे आज कथा
After hearing, having to remember. Like for example,
स्मरण करना चाहिए।
today what we heard,
इसको
you have to keep and remember it also.
स्मरण करना,
Remember.
चिंतन करना पड़ेगा।
Think about what you heard.
नहीं तो इस काम से सुना, इस काम
Otherwise,
से
you heard from one
फल नहीं
ear and come back from the other ear, come out from the other ear, you cannot get fruit from it.
कम से कम ये भक्तों की श्रोता
So the main listeners, they have sit in front.
ये
They
श्रवण की
must sit
विधि
in
है,
front.
कथा की विधि है।
This is actually the rule of how to hear Harikatha. You must sit in front. Those are the main listeners. Those who are the Jajaman means that, like I'm performing this Bhagavata on behalf of some people. So you have to sit in front.
याद करना।
After hearing, you have to remember what you heard.
और इस काम से
Otherwise, just coming from in one ear and coming out from the other ear, no.
विद्या लिया,
You took all the knowledge from the Guru,
अपना ध्यान
then
चले गए।
you just like
कहा ना, दक्षिणा देना
give everything back. Okay, Gurudev told I should give some donation. The donation I give to you, Gurudev, is whatever knowledge you taught me, I'm giving back to you. No, it's not like that.
एक सब लोग कहने लगे, आप दोबारा दूसरी बार भागवत कथा
So then they said, okay, tell me again the Bhagavad Katha one more time. Tell us again. The listeners told. So Gokarna performed again the Bhagavad Katha.
और श्रोता लोग सब श्रवण करके
All the listeners, they heard and all they went to the abode of Lord.
जय
जय जय श्री राम। कल हम लोग 4
Tomorrow, 4 o'clock,
आरती करके
जिन लेकर बुलवाया जाए कृपया मेरे को क्या कराना आता है
oh,
नहीं आता
सही समय पे गई है महाराज जी, सही समय पे गई है, लाइट गई है।
okay, so Katha is over today.
अरे वो आरती
Light is out.
प्रभु जी, everything is okay? आरती है, पंख वगैरह ला।
So you'll be afraid because you heard a story from ghost. Mukari is coming. Shri Radhe Shyam. Arrange for the Arati. They have generator or not? Yes, they are switching it on. Okay, so tomorrow again, Bhagavad Katha for 7 days in Mathura.
गोविंद
In one place.
जय जय गोपाल
Sadar Bazaar.
जय जय गोविंद
One family house place.